Hello guys, welcome again to the technical analysis for Bitcoin, and this time is a special actually. Why? Because usually I record my videos on Sundays for weekly chart, but I think it's very important talking about this right now. Okay, first of all, Bitcoin failed again holding 42,000 area, and I said before in chart of 4-hour chart, of course yesterday was here, right? If Bitcoin holds 42, of course you are not chasing the market, and we didn't have any buy signal, so we need to wait for confirmation, right? Where is the buy signal? No. So here the entry, Bitcoin fell, and of course the next level, as I said before, if the Bitcoin breaks this level, we will see around $39,000 tested. Now I am expecting Bitcoin is gonna hold here. Maybe no, maybe actually I'm expecting maybe this weekend not like down to 37, around there, a little bit lower, maybe around here, this area. But in general, this area is not for shorts. Actually, my short was from here to here, and I took a short position from here, and I closed. Now, what I'm expecting, a bounce, yes, in 4 hours, I mean maximum this weekend. So the next area I am looking for right now is from this area, not exactly the last price, of course not, but a bounce here for the MA55, maximum $41,000. I'm gonna start expecting here, and from there we will see other leg down continuation, maybe other test to $37,000. Now this is 4 hour chart. The concerning thing here is 1 day chart. Be ready, because, well, Bitcoin is not bullish anymore. I'm sorry for saying this. My hope, as I said, I don't hope, just based on the close and monthly, and I said we will see this rally, yes, here, this bounce from $39,000 to 44, and if we want to see Bitcoin bullish, Bitcoin must break this range, and not just this range, breaking $47,000, $48,000, testing this area of support, and from there to the upside, but didn't happen. As you can see here, Bitcoin is not very strong. So the problem with this is we have finally bear divergences here in 1 day chart, and also we have sell signal in 1 day chart. So that means there is a very high probability the next bounce you see this weekend, because we will see a bounce around here, 41, between 40 to 42, is gonna be the last move to the upside. Why? Because this is just going to crash to maybe $34,000-$35,000, and the reason is simple, is because we have here various divergences in 1 day chart. As you can see here, we have this signal, beautiful signal, and also this weekend we will see finally Bitcoin breaking the MA55. So you see the close, of course, confirmation. We need the close here. Next week is gonna be very painful for Bitcoin. And now this is 1 day chart, as you can see here. Yeah, if you want to be bullish on Bitcoin, you don't want to see $37,000, $38,000 broken here, this area, because if this area breaks, we will see finally my long-term target is around $30,000. Now let me show you something else. We have here confirmation bear divergence in 2 day chart, continuation to the downside. Here high and bearish divergence in 2 day chart. Yeah, that's why it was very important for Bitcoin breaking $47,000, right? Because if you don't see that, we will see the potential bullish momentum is going to be bearish. 3 day chart, as you can see, rejection here, and also sell signal again. Actually, sell signal in 3 day chart, usually these kind of signals are destructive. So high and bearish divergence in 3 day chart, yes. 5 day chart, as you can see here, very concerning here, because Bitcoin is just bouncing, and in the maybe by the end of this month, when we see this test to the upside here, you will see your macro move to the downside, of course. Weekly chart, as you can see here, we have potential buy signal, yes, but there is no confirmation. Why? Because we are not in the same page as OBB. Remember, as a trader, always I need confirmation. So here Bitcoin bounces very hard, yes, because monthly was actually good. Here monthly is not good, so careful with this. And also it's very soon to say this, but if any close like this weekend, and actually worse, if this weekend Bitcoin close below $37,000, $38,000 here, actually this level, the weekly close, this is just continuation, confirmation to the downtrend for Bitcoin, and you will see the first level is gonna be the next week, is you will see that test to $30,000 and potentially breakdown. Finally, Bitcoin, as I said, is doing something like this. Remember the bounce here I was projecting? I was projecting 47,048. Actually, it's a little bit disappointed because I was expecting this level, and Bitcoin even cannot break $44,000. So any close like this is gonna be a continuation to the downside, and you will see like this. Now, the monthly now is not relevant, but I want to show you something. Bitcoin defended very well $37,000. Yeah, as you can see here. Yeah, so Bitcoin is there is a very good probability we will see this test again this weekend. As I said before, you don't want to see Bitcoin closing weekly chart below here. $37,000, $38,000 is not good. Bitcoin must close around 41, 42 this weekend, and after that maybe we will see other tests to the upside. That's why I don't think it's gonna happen. The probabilities are very low right now because now all the bullish momentum I said 2 weeks ago, my previous video, they just gone, disappear because Bitcoin failed again, breaking this area. As I said before, auto rejection is very important. And now the next bounce here, based on all probabilities, is gonna be a bull trap, because I explain why. Now, okay, so what is my plan? My plan is just having a very relaxing weekend, and I would not trade this because I don't trade weekends, right? So I am not chasing the market. When I see this bounce, I will do my technical analysis and I will take the decisions if maybe I will open a short or not. But maybe yes, I will do it. Okay, guys, so be careful because, as I said, we are not in a bull market anymore. I mean, for many traders, the last pivot is $30,000. Yes, but pay attention what is happening every time when Bitcoin is doing something like this. Always the altcoins, they are doing a new lows. For example, Cake now is $5 again, almost breaking the previous low. Cardano continuation. Cardano is just, we talk about this. This coin is gonna just crash even more. Solana again breaking, getting rejection from Solana from MA55 and 1 day chart and weekly chart. That is the most concerning thing here. As you can see here, any close like this is just continuation to the downside, and you will see something like this in the long term. And the total market cap here, as you can see here, rejection by MA21. Remember last week we talked about this, right? Any close like this is just confirmation, and you will see other leg down to test this area, and this area is your last hope for all the crypto market, I mean the altcoins. So I mean, good luck, guys, good luck, because as I said before many times, this year is for defensive. I want to tell you something. If you are thinking this is the bottom of the markets, this is the bottom, maybe you're right, but not. I mean, we will have to wait maybe a couple months to see if this is a real bottom. Based on my experience, I don't think so. And as I said many times, people they are doing the same mistake like they did in 2017, thinking $6,000 is the strongest support for Bitcoin, and after that, this. This now is the strongest support for Bitcoin, is the bottom. That is the mentality of many people. If based on my experience, because I saw that many times, any close below $37,000 will trigger this, and potentially March instead of is not gonna be green anymore, and you will see leg down. As I said, I don't want to see this. I would like to see this breakdown maybe in summer, because usually it's capitulation. If you see this breakdown now, I think it's not gonna be capitulation. It's gonna be just continuation on a very healthy downtrend, something like this. Usually when you see capitulation, it's the bottom of the market, and here to the moon. Yeah, but based on the monthly, if you see the breakdown maybe this month, we will see something like this. A very healthy, lovely downtrend. Yeah, so remember, the most important thing as a trader is taking care about your capital. Okay, don't chase the market, especially right now, and you're gonna buy altcoins because you want to hold. be ready, because if I am right with my technical analysis, you will be in red 60, 70. I mean, you are holding here, right, in the highs. You will be ready because you will be in red maybe 50, 60, 70% down in your portfolio. As said, I am not financial advisor, just I am telling you what I see in the markets. Okay, now the last thing I want to show you here in this short video is, because this video is for the weekend, I'm not going to record other one. Okay, as long we have this momentum to the upside, as you can see here, this absorption, that means people are, every time when Bitcoin or all the altcoins they are bouncing, people are selling. Very, very healthy. It's looking more like accumulation in the highs here, like this, and we will see something like accumulation here and potential breakout. And now again I said it's because this, look at this, monthly is looking super healthy, actually very, very healthy. Very, very healthy. Looks like wants to break out, and as you can see here, now that's why for me this is just a formation accumulation pattern, and you will see new ATA. If you see new ATA in this asset, you will see Bitcoin breaking $30,000. I think so. Okay guys, I think that's it for this weekend, and have a good weekend. Enjoy. Sometimes the best trade is not trading. Okay, see you.